Shit, we're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 359, part 1. You're wondering, whoa, he's using Tri-Brigade. Yeah, because I was kind of practicing with it, then I went to a ranked match and I picked the wrong deck. And I was like, oh no, I picked the wrong deck. I kind of watched some YouTube videos on the Tri-Brigade combos, so there's Fractal, Nerval, then you get Kit. I'm like super new to this deck. And then Karis, discard Kit, descend or discard, discard. Okay. Kit. Gonna send another Karis there, I don't know. Karis's effect. Banish 2 for Farajit. And then those two Tri-Brigade monsters for Bearbrum. And then Farajit is draw one and put back. Put back? What the heck is... Draw, then place one card from your hand to the bottom. Oh, it's placed to the bottom. I don't know what happened there. And I got Ratpear's effect. Discard normal summon, you can send one Zodiac monster. Zodiac card from your deck to the graveyard. Okay, those two for Rugal. And then Bearbrum that hits the grave. What does this say? Discard a sent to the graveyard, you could add one Tri-Brigade spell trap from your deck to your hand, then place one card from your hand to the bottom of the deck. Also, plus someone for the rest of the turn except for Tri-Brigade monsters. So locked in Tri-Brigade. I Ash to the bottom of the deck. Set the Strike and Revolt. Explain Invoke, Meltdown, Alistair. Almost summon Alistair and I counter trap them. Like, Solemn Strike negated. And it sets one card and Tri-Brigade Revolt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4. Then I tried on like doing only 3, like 2, 3, 4, but you have to use all of them. For Shurag's effect. What the heck happened? And Bearbrum's effect. Kit's effect. Nerval's effect. It was Chain Link 4 here. Shurag banished, called by. And yeah, that was on his turn. It's still my turn here. Those two for NEXUS Gotoka. 63 attack now. Banish the Earth. Farajit to pop its Meltdown. Set Imperial Order and why is it not showing here? This is the Revolt. I don't know why it's not showing. What? Direct for 63. Main phase 1, he activates. Normal summon activates, and then I chain linked it with Imperial Order. It's gonna get Invocation. He went for Magistus. Invocation, it's negated Imperial Order, and he scooped it. Let's Duel wins. And then part 2, I kind of did screw up. I'm still new to this deck. I picked it by accident, so I sat it in the lightning storm. I cut 3 cards. It was strike, imperm, and effect veiler for 3 lightning storms. Ooh, red eyes fusioned. That's okay because I drew the droplet. Sending kit's effect. I get ashed. Lightning storm. Barrage. Pop itself. Rat here. Horrible. This guy had no attack, so I was like, I'll just summon Thoroughblade, do some more damage. Thoroughblade, discard. Discard 1 Zodiac and then draw 1 card. I drew the one of Imperial Order. Attack. Overlay. And since I attacked with an Xyz monster, overlay for Zeus. Set the Imperial Order his turn. Alistair, and then chain it with Imperial Order. He's like, really, or something? Okay. Almirage. I should have just used its effect because I had. I don't know, I screwed up here. Okay, normal. No, wait. That was the other turn. Kit. Yeah, just dumping to the graveyard. I don't know. Sets a monster, sets a card, I pay 700. A normal summon and activate its effect. I thought I was going to special summon, but it didn't give me an option. Like, what the heck? It gave me this option here, the first one. I thought I was gonna do this one, banish, and then special summon. But it just banished himself. And I dumped Nerval's effect, get kit. And I'm like, well, it's gonna be done anyway, so I activated Zeus, you activated Schism, send everything to the grave and attack for game. Let's do it! Let's see, does he have a deck? He doesn't have a deck. Okay, exit. Check the rank and the points. I was at 1483, I'm at 1503, back to gold. I was at 181, 182. Comment, share, I'll give you something if you liked it. See you guys.